So now we're going to learn how to solve the system of equation in two variable by addition method. So this one in summary, this one here, you can kind of get rid of one letter so that you can have the other one, right? So I have two examples right here. So first, we try to do the same. So you can look at this one here, oh, here I have y and here I have -2 right here. So I try to make these two number the same. Yeah, I always try to choose the smaller one, make it easier for calculation. So I'm going to multiply the first two, the first equation by 2 so that I can get rid of the other part. So I'm going to multiply that here, this one right here. I'm going to multiply the first right here, this one right here, right, by -2. So I multiply by 2, I'm sorry. Yes. So therefore, my equation, that equation become like this. Multiply by 2, then okay. So I can multiply by 2. So this one is 5 times -2 times -5, so it will be -10. Yeah, x. And then 2 times y, so it become -2y. And then this 1 times 2, so got to be equal to 82. Yeah. Okay, so let me move this over here so it light up so that you can see better. Let me see if I can move this. Yeah, it's underneath that one. You see that? So you see that when I have the two together, so this one will be 10, -10 is 0. This one over 0 right here, this also 0. So therefore, my equation now, it becomes just like 0 equals 0, which is true, right? So whenever you have something like this, so that would be infinitely many solutions. What does that mean? That means it doesn't mean like you pick any value of x and y, it works. It's work only the special pair is satisfy this condition right here. So on this case right here, we're going to choose over here will be infinitely many solutions. But what is the solution? So what we're going to do here, we take the first equation, we solve for y. So whatever that value in there, that will form a system of equation, solution for the first one. So I solve the first one for y, right? So I have y alone. So I'm gonna add 5x to the other side. So I have to equal to 5x and then plus 41. So they have infinitely many solutions, but it doesn't mean every number will work. It only works for any system look like this. So I have over here, if I have that, my first value will be x. And then my second value would be 5x plus 41, right? So you give me value of x, I will find the y, and that one would be, that pair would be the solution of the system. So how many value of x can you choose? Yeah, you can choose infinitely many. You can choose whatever x that you like. That's why I say infinitely many solution. Okay. Now with the same thing, we're going to do number 2. So you see right here, this x is 3x. So again, I aim for the small number so that it's easier for me to calculation and manipulate, right? So I'm going to multiply the first one by -3, right? Yes, multiply here by -3. So I have over here, I multiplied here by -3. Okay, so here. Yeah, -3 right there. Yeah. So when I multiply like that, so the equation become right here. So I have -3x and then minus 9y, yes, and then equal to, this is a big number again. If you don't know this one, just put in the calculator and you multiply, right? And then you get the answer, right? I mean, you get the number right here. So negative times negative give me positive, and 3 times 17, so that I have that would be 51, yeah? Yes. And then you add these two together, you see on the left-hand side, right? you see the left-hand side will be equal to 0, because 3x minus 3x 0 and 9y minus 9y equals 0, right? So that left-hand side is 0. However, the right-hand side, you add it together, this is not 0 at all. In fact, it's equal to 21, and 21 cannot equal to cannot equal to 0, right? 21 cannot equal 0. So therefore, whenever you see something not true like this, right? So therefore, the answer over here, you will say no solution. That means over here, we don't have to solve for a symbol. We don't have to do anything with that, okay?